Hello everybody. In this video we're looking at how to find the exterior angle measurements of a polygon. We just finished a lesson on how to find the interior angle measurements, and now we're turning our attention to the exterior angles of the polygon. So let's get started. First, let's start with how to find the sum of exterior angles within a polygon. Well, I have big news for you. Dun, dun, dun. The sum of exterior angles within any polygon ever, no matter what the shape is, no matter if it's regular or irregular, is always 360 degrees. Period. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. So I've got several different examples here. And these are here to show you that it doesn't matter what the shape is, you're always going to end up with 360 degrees. So let's take a look. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-sided shape. That means it has 7 exterior angles. Well, the ones listed here are 56, 54, 50, 44, 52, 56, and 48. The sum of all exteriors, check it with your calculator if you don't believe me, is 360 degrees. How about this 5-sided shape over here, this pentagon? Again, an irregular shape. We've got 102 degrees, 81 degrees, 63 degrees, 90 degrees, and 24 degrees. Take a moment and make sure that that equals 360 degrees. If I'm telling you this as a fact, you should check me. So then how could we use this fact? Here's an algebraic example of how we could use this fact. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided, no, 5-sided shape again. So a different irregular pentagon. Now we've got a little bit of algebra involved. I see some y's in there. But if we know that it sums up to 360 degrees, it's very simple for us to make an equation out of this. So let's go around the shape. We've got y, 61, 2y, 35, 50, and 59. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides to this shape. A hexagon. Okay, so if we add all that together, it has to be equal to 360 degrees. Well, we have a little algebra this time, so let's combine like terms. 2y plus 1y is 3y. Now, let me grab my calculator because I'm going to combine all these numbers together. 61 plus 35 plus 50 plus 59 totals 205. Now it's a very simple equation for us to solve. I'm going to subtract the 205. I get 3y equals 155 and divide the 3. So y equals 51.6 repeating. Put a giant star on that. That is a great example of how to use the sum of exterior angles of a polygon. All right, let's move on. Next, we're going to work on one exterior angle of a polygon. Now, super important. In order to find one exterior angle of a regular polygon, regular means all sides and angles are congruent. All you have to do is take that sum total of 360 degrees and divide it by n, which represents the number of angles or sides. Okay, so let's take a look at these pictures here. I've got a triangle. If I know that the sum of exterior angles is 360 degrees, and I know that a triangle has 3 exterior angles, 360 degrees divided by 3 is 120 degrees for each angle. They're all equal to each other. Okay, try it with a quadrilateral. This is a regular quadrilateral, also known as a square. So if the sum equals 360 degrees of all exterior angles, and there are 4 exterior angles, when I divide 360 by 4, I get 90 degrees. That's 90 degrees per exterior angle. One more example for you, a pentagon. 360 degrees total for the exterior angles, 5 angles of a pentagon, 360 degrees divided by 5 is 72. So all regular shapes can use this simple, tiny little formula, 360 degrees divided by the number of angles. Well, what if it's not a regular pentagon? What if we're looking at an irregular pentagon or hexagon or heptagon or whatever? Well, if you're looking at an irregular shape, I highly suggest you use linear pairs to solve for the exterior angle. In our last lesson, we learned how to find one interior angle of a regular polygon. Check this out from our last lesson. In order to find one angle of a regular polygon, we took our sum formula, s equals 180 times n minus 2, and we just divided it amongst all the different shapes. And that gave us our one interior angle. Well, if you're looking at an irregular polygon and they give you a shape, a value, all you have to do is subtract that value from 180 to get the exterior. It doesn't matter what the shape is. One interior and one exterior add up to 180 degrees. That's it from me. Happy studying, and let me know if you need any help.